Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. It's the first time I'm broadcasting here. Now everything I give here is not financial advice, so please do your own checking. Make sure you research your own stuff first. Now I'm going to dive right in. I'm sorry about the camera, but it's the best I can do at the moment. But you're not here to look at my face, you're here to actually learn about the Kucoin app. Now, some people have asked me, how do you transfer money from your credit card onto the app? So I'm going to show you now. So I'm just going to start up my phone, or she'll show you on the app as soon as it loads up. So here we have the app here. Okay, so you start the app. Once it starts up, I'm going to assume that you have signed up. If not, there's my code down the bottom, the Kucoin. You can use that as a link, join up. Once you've verified everything, so up in the top hand corner, where you've verified all your stuff and everything else, right? I haven't logged in yet. Once you've verified all that, and you have verified your credit card, you'll be able to log in and do the transfer. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to deposit. Okay, so once you press on deposit, it'll come across the screen here. You want to click on fiat. Now I'm in Australia, so I'll pick Australian dollars. Okay, as you can see, I've already got my credit card there. Okay, press on credit card. Right. This is where you verified your credit card details, banking details, and everything else. Down here is where you want to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So I'll just do $20, and you'll see there's a $1 fee. Okay, so you'll actually get 19. So I actually want 20. Right, so I'll go 22. So once that goes across there, $22. Okay, once that's done, still got a fee of $1. Press confirm. Down here, $22. So I'm going to get $21, and $1 is my fee. So I pay that. Once it transfers across, it's actually pretty quick. Okay, you will see that it comes up, deposit $20 has been completed, $22. Now from here, I can buy crypto straight off. Okay, so you click on buy crypto, down here. Now here, I can choose what type of coin I want. Okay, but I'm just going to leave it with my tether. Okay, so in Australian dollars, 21. Done. Now you'll see down here, this is how much USD I will receive. Press on buy USD. There's my USD up there. My unit price, $1.54. Fee is 0.02. 21. Confirm. Now put in your code, which you should have already set up, and you would have received it. Okay, so now you can view your assets on my main account. Return. Go down to assets down the bottom, and you'll see where you have your funds you've just purchased. Okay, so that's how you transfer money on your credit card without having to go through all their extra sign-ups in other apps and stuff like that to get across. Quite simple, quite easy, and as you saw, quite quick. Okay, then if you come across here into your trading, because when it's in your main account, it doesn't do anything, it just sits there. It's like a holding account. It doesn't really do anything. Okay. Go across to your trading account, right, and you will see my USD is 131 in my trading. So what you want to do is go back, go to transfer, USD, all. So I'm going to transfer it all across, confirm it, and you'll see it's gone from my main account and it's now gone into my trading account. Okay, so very simple, very easy, very quick. Another thing I'll show you is that if you're holding KS, or KCS, sorry, as I am, if you click on the bonus, you'll see you get a bonus. This happens every day, every 24 hours. Confirm that. That'll go across to my wallet. Go back. Now you'll see that in my wallet, when it comes up, but it's not very quick. It takes a couple of minutes for it to actually show in your wallet. Okay, so once you click on it, save it to wallet, you'll see there's nothing actually there yet. Okay, and that's how you transfer funds. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed that, and if so, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.